Hey guys, this is Dr. Cook at Discover Chiropractic, and I'm here with Keita, and she has an awesome testimony that she just wanted to share with y'all. That way, if you're going through the same things, we want to share hope and healing with everyone. So Keita?
Well, I've been dealing with chronic pain and taking 1,001 pills for over a decade now. It doesn't matter with those pills, sometimes they don't work at all. Without Discovery Chiropractics, I wouldn't even be walking. I tell everyone about this practice. They should always try to get in touch with chiropractics. Medicines don't work and they don't clear everything up. I have an ear, something going on. Medicines over the counter in the normal forms of cleaning out your ears and all of that they're not working. I knew that if I came and got an adjustment, even though money was low, I found my way back home. I put it in the budget. I know that by tonight, tomorrow, my ear problem will be cleared up. And look, I have a misaligned spine and I'm standing straight up because of these guys.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And we're glad you're here. If you're going through the same thing, feel free to comment, like, share, let other people know, and we look forward to seeing you in the office. Thank you, Keita.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.